Hey, hon, there's you some more buffalo out there.
Oh, shut up. Those aren't real.
There's no Cash. What are you doing, Cash? He's Dobber's dog. He's the bar dog. We made it to Fort Worth, Harley-Davidson. Look who I found.
Imagine that. Imagine us running into somewhere up here.
Well, how's it going? Riding Texan here. We're going to run over to Fort Worth, Harley-Davidson. They're having a t-shirt sale from Stampede inventory that they brought over. I think my brother, he's got ulterior motives. Stay tuned to find out. So we're going to run over to Massey's Barbecue here in Glen Rose and get us a good old barbecue sandwich before we head on over to Fort Worth. Oh. Well, that was a pretty good barbecue sandwich. I had pulled pork, and then he had some chicken wings, barbecue chicken wings. I think Mark had some brisket, but it was well worth the stop. Minnie's boss started a new bar over here by that antique mall we stopped at the other day. We're going to stop in there. We think he's here today, and we're going to see what the progress is going to be. Anyway, it's supposed to open, I think, March 12th or 13th. And my playing partner is available. We're going to play that Saturday night for the grand opening. Yeah, Dobber, he's getting it ready. He got some of the lighting tables, and he's working on the bar. And there's a wood cut. He's going to urethane it. It'll look pretty good. Got the seating here. Hey, hon, there's you some more buffalo out there.
Oh, shut up. Those aren't real.
Anyway, they're working on a big deck outside.
You know what
We'll be playing music right here.
is this one?
Who's here?
There's no Cash. There's no Cash. What are you doing, Cash? He's Dauber's dog. He's the bar dog.
Well, Dauber's wanting to turn this into a popular biker watering hole. You can see there's plenty of parking here out back. Anyway, I think it's going to be a good thing. The easiest way to get to it is this road here, OUS 67.
Poor boy from the backwoods, thought I never would find my way. Sweet girl, straight from downtown, where I was just another face. They said that we should steer clear of each other. Matches and gasoline, nothing but trouble. Said we'd never make it, but you ain't seen nothing yet. Just getting started. We're just getting started. Southbound for the border, somewhere no one knows our names. But I know when I hold you, I'ma love you till the grave. We're just getting started. We're just getting started. We're just getting started. We're just getting started.
We made it to Fort Worth, Harley-Davidson. Look who I found.
Imagine that. Imagine us running into somewhere up here.
Anyway,
I think we're all t-shirt shopping.
yeah, T-shirt. Stamp. They got all the Stampede stuff on sale. Buy one, get two free. Looking forward to the 21st, going down to pick up our packet from the Motorcycle Grand Tour of Texas. I think my brother's in there getting him a new motorcycle. We'll find out. I may edit that one part out. That's why I paused. Until next time, riding Texan here. Keep the shiny side up.